Hello students, welcome to SGRBCC. Today we will discuss paper number 332, reasoning paper. See the first one, directions 1 to 5. 8 persons MNOP, QRS and T sit around a square table in a park such that 2 persons sit at each side of the table, but not necessarily in the same order. Some of them face towards the center and remaining faces away from the center. So here we have a square table, and each side there are two persons are sitting. It is the first possibility, and take one more possibility. Start with O. O sits second to the left of N and both faces the same direction. O doesn't face towards the center. It means O is facing away from the center. If O is facing away from the center and N is also facing away from the center. Suppose starting with N is facing away from the center, O is the second to the left of N, and if N is facing here, O is placing here. Next, S sits on the same side with N, and next R second to the left of S. O doesn't sit adjacent to R, so R is not placing here. So R is the second to the left of S. Suppose S is facing center, R is placing here, and S is facing center, R is placing here. Next, the one who faces N sits second to the right of T. So this person is facing N and this person is facing N. He is the second to the right of T, second to the right of T. So only this place is left. T is placing center and he is the second to the right of T. Why? Because here we don't have any place to fix T, and here this person, only this place is we have. So T is facing center. Next, M and Q sits on the same side. So both M and Q facing placing here. M second to the left of P, but doesn't adjacent to T. So T here, and if M is placing here, not here. Suppose if M is placing here, M is the second to the left of P. So P is placing here. Only one possibility, this one. Here Q is there. Coming to this one, suppose if P is placing here and M is the second to the left of P and Q is placing here, and M doesn't sit adjacent to T. So here M and T both are adjacent to each other. This one is not correct. M faces S, who faces opposite to R. So M is facing S and S is facing opposite to R. It means R is facing outside. So it is the final arrangement, and let us move on to the questions. So we have 5 questions. See the first one. How many persons sit between M and O when counted from right of O? So O here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Total 5 persons are there. Which among the following statement is true? P and T faces each other. First one is correct. Q sits second to the right of R. So Q here, R here, and Q is the second to the right of R, correct. 5 persons faces towards the center. So 1, 2, and next 3 and 4 and 5. Okay, all are correct. Who among the following persons sit third to the left of the one who sits opposite to O? So opposite to O, that is R. From R, third to the left. So third to the left, 1, 2, 3. That is O. So but we don't have O. Third to the left of the one. So R. Next, it is the right. 1, 2, 3. It is the left. That is N. So N is the answer. So we don't have N. See the first one. The one who sits immediate right of T. Immediate right of T not correct. The one who sits second to the right of P. So second to the right of P kada, N vachesi second one is the correct. Who among the following person will remain the same position if all persons sit in alphabetical order from M in clockwise directions? So starting from M, N, and next O, P, Q, R, S and T. Okay. So who among the following persons will remain the same position? That is O. So O is the answer. 4 of the following 5 are alike a certain way. Who among the following does not belonging into the group? So O is facing outside, M inside, and T is inside, and the S is inside and P is also inside. What is the answer? O is the odd one out. Next, 6 to 8 we have directions. 9 banks are located in the same city in different directions at different distances with the respect to each other. Bank R is 5 meters to the east of bank T, which is 2 meters to the south of bank P. Okay. So, bank R so bank R is the 5 meters to the east of bank T, here R, and T is the 2 meters to the south of P. So, 2 meters to the south of P. Next, R is 8 meters to the north of D. So, R is 8 meters to the north of D. So, it is the 8 meters, which is 4 meters to the west of S. So, D is the 4 meters to the west of S. And next, E is 6 meters to the north of S. So, it is the 8 meters and it is the 6 meters. So, here E, and 3 meters to the west of B. So, 3 meters to the west of B. Next, bank F is 9 meters to the south of B. So, bank F is 9 meters to the south of B and to the east of bank Q. So, F is the east of bank Q and bank P is to the north of bank Q. So, P here and here, if Q is placing here, so ఇక్కడ చూడండి ఒకసారి bank F is east of bank Q. Okay. And next, so it is the straight line starting from P to Q. Okay. So, it is the final arrangement, and these directions, this distance is 5 plus 4, 9, 10, 11, 12. So, it is the 12 meters, total 12 meters. Let us move on to the questions. What is the shortest distance between B and S? So, B here and S here. What is the shortest distance? Okay. Here we have a right angular triangle. So, 6 and 3. So, what is the hypotenuse? So, root of 6 square 36 and plus 9, 3 square, that is 9. So, root 45, 9 into 5, 3 root 5 meters, 3 root 5 meters. Next, 4 of the following 5 are in a certain way. Which among the following does not belonging into the group? So, starting from so see P and R. So, P here and R here. P is the this direction, and T and S. So, T here and next S here. Okay. T is also in northwest direction. D and F. So, D here, F here. D is the northwest of F. Next, B and Q. So, B here and next Q here. So, this direction is the different one. Okay, this one is the different one. Next, if point J is to the south of D and to the east of point Q. Okay, so J is the south of D, D here, and east of point Q here. Okay, it means point J is placing exactly here. Next, the distance between D and J is the same distance between point dash and dash. So, distance between D and J. So, see, from here to here it is the 6 meters and here to here it is the total 9 meters. Okay. So, what is the distance here? So, 9 minus 6, that is 3. Between D and J the distance is 3 meters. Then 3 meters is only in between E and B. This is the 3 meters. Next, 9 to 13. 8 hotels were opened in 4 different months: April, August, September and December on 2 different dates, either 17 or 22 of the same year. So, starting from April and next August and next September and next December. So, what are the dates here? 17 22. So April 30 days, August 31, September 30, December 31. So it is the first possibility and second possibility. Starting from Hotel I was opened 3 months before Hotel L. Hotel E was opened immediately after L. So I was opened 3 months before L. So see here September and December, between both there are 3 months is gap. So Hotel I was opened 3 months before L. Suppose if I is placing here, here I is placing, and next E is placing here before L kada. So L kabatti ikkada evadu vastaru L. E was opened immediately after L. So E is placing here. Two possibilities. 3 hotels were opened between E and Hotel K. So E and Hotel K. Here also 3 persons. Hotel J was opened an even number date in the month having even number of days. Okay, even number date and even number of days, that is J. So see April 22nd, here is the J, and next September we don't have any place to fix J here, so J is placing here. Next, Hotel F was opened 3 hotels after J. So 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3. Here F is placing here. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. After so Hotel F was opened 3 hotels after J. So 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Here we don't have any place to fix L. And next, Hotel G was opened before H. So H is placing, G is placing here. So HJ, GJ, HK, and next and FI, and next L and E. Okay, so see Hotel F was opened 3 hotels after J. So 1, 2, 3. Okay, so 3 hotels after J, it means F is placing here. So next I is placing here. Okay, here is the mistake one, here I. Okay, it is the final arrangement of the puzzle. Let us move on to the questions. See the question number 9. Which among the following hotels opened 22nd December? So 22nd December, that is E. How many hotels were opened between G and I? So G and I, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 persons are there. Which among the following statement is not false? So see, no hotel opened before G. This one is the correct. And next, not false, it means true. More than 3 hotels opened after K. So after K, total 4 opened. So 1 and 2 is correct, it means all are true. On which among the following date month Hotel H opened? Hotel H opened 17th August. So 17th August. 4 of the following 5, which one does not belonging into the group? So here hotel is missing. Okay, so J, K, F, G. So see J and next K and next F and G. Okay, J, K, F and G. Okay, so here one hotel is missing. Next, 14 to 16, the blood relation we have. G is the brother-in-law of F, who is not married. So G is the brother-in-law of F. G is male candidate. F is not married in the sense F has a sister. This sister is married by G. Okay, and next, this person and F both are siblings. E is uncle of F and has no brothers. Okay, so see, E is the uncle of F and no brothers in the sense both this person and F has parents and uncle, means E is placing here. Okay, and next, so E is uncle of F and has no brother in the sense, so F mother's brother he is. And next, here we have one more person. C is the only niece of E. So here E and C is the only niece of E. Okay, so see, F is already we know, and next if C is the suppose if C is placing here, C and F both are siblings. Suppose F is male candidate, these two are niece and nephew of E. Okay, కొంచెం కన్ఫ్యూజన్ ఉంటుంది, ఒకసారి చెక్ చేసుకోండి నీట్గా. Next, H is the daughter-in-law of G. So H is the daughter-in-law of G. So G here, and next H is the daughter-in-law of G. It means C and G has a son. This person is married by H. Next, D is the parent of F and has only 2 children. So F here, not F, it is the D. Here D is placed. B is grandchild of A, who is the only sibling of E. B. So see, so D is the parent kada. So D is placing here, and A and E both are brother and sister. And next, B is the grandchild. It means B is placing here. B is the child of C and G. So it is the final arrangement. And next, let us move on to the questions. How G related to D? So G here and next D here. So obviously G is the son-in-law of D. What is the ratio of male to female? So see, first of all, male and female. Males 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 males and remaining 3 are females. 5:3. 4 of the following 5 are alike in a certain way. Who among the following does not belonging into the group? So A female, and next E is male, G male, and next D male, and F is also male. So A is the odd one out. 17 to 21. See the first question. How many symbols are there in the series immediately followed by a letter and immediately preceded by a number? So number, symbol and letter. So see, this one is the pair, number, symbol and letter, and next number, symbol and letter, it is also one pair, and next number, symbol, letter, this is the one pair. Only 3 pairs are there. Next, if all the symbols are dropped from the given series, which among the following element will be 15th element from right end? So see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and next 15. 5 is the answer. What is the sum of the digits which are immediately followed by a letter? So we need to calculate sum. So see the first one, that is 8. Okay, so we need to calculate sum of the numbers which are immediately followed by a letter, number and letter. It is the first one 8, and next 5, and next that is 4, and next, so there is no other number. So 8 plus 5, 13 plus 4, that is 17. Next, question number 20. Which among the following element is 7th to the left of the number which is 4th from the right end in the given series? We need to find number from 4th from right end. So see, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So starting from 4, 7th to the left, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so L is the answer. If the first half of the series reversed, then which among the following element 20th from the right end? So see, we need to half of the first reverse of the first half kada. So chudandi ఒకసారి 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and next 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 28, 30. It means we need to half of this one. ఎందుకు ఇది వచ్చేసి 15th కాబట్టి ఇక్కడ 15 ఇక్కడ 15 ఉన్నాయి కాబట్టి మొత్తం. ఓకే, సో హాఫ్ చేస్తే ఇది వచ్చేసి ఇక్కడ నుండి వచ్చేసి ఇది వచ్చేసి లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్ నుండి అవుతుంది, ఇదంతా కూడా రైట్ సైడ్ నుండి అవుతుంది. అంటే ఇక్కడ నుండి స్టార్ట్ H 3 5 లైక్ దిస్. సో ఇఫ్ ద ఫస్ట్ హాఫ్ ఆఫ్ ది సిరీస్ ఈజ్ రివర్స్డ్, దెన్ విచ్ అమంగ్ ద ఫాలోయింగ్ ఎలిమెంట్ 28th ఫ్రమ్ ద రైట్ హ్యాండ్ అప్ టు V, it is the 15. Okay, from this 15. Next 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, so 20. H is the answer. H is the answer. సో రివర్స్ రాయాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు, జస్ట్ అనలైజ్ చేసి ఆన్సర్ చేయొచ్చు అనమాట. నెక్స్ట్ 22 to 26. So see the one, a certain number of persons sit in a linear row such that all of them facing north direction. Okay, So two possibilities, only two persons sit between P and Q. P sits fourth to the position from the extreme end. So suppose 1, 2, 3 and 4. Here P is there, and between only two persons of Q and P. So Q is placing here 1, 2, 3, 4. Here P is there, and next 1, 2. Here Q is placing. Next S sits 3 positions away from Q. So 1, 2, 3. Here S. Here S is placing. 3 persons sit between S and Y. Okay, so 3 persons sit between S and Y who doesn't sit adjacent to Q. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. Next 1, 2, 3. And next J sits exactly between S and Y. So J is placing here. So J is placing here. As many persons sit between S and Q. So between S and Q, 2 persons are there. Here also 2 persons. As between J and T. So between J and T, there are 2 persons are there. Okay, so T here, and next J and T. Here T is placing. T sits to the right of J. So T is the right of J, but here T is the left of J. So this one is not correct. And next, but doesn't sit adjacent to S. So T sits taken to the T sits to the right of J, but not adjacent to S. So it is clear. Only one person sits between T and M. So between T and M, one person is there. U is the only neighbor of W and sits second to the right of M. So second to the right of M, that is U, and U is the only neighbor of W. Only neighbor of W in the sense W is the right extreme end. Next, X sits at the extreme end. So X is placing here. Okay. So these 2 persons are the extreme ends. So it is the final arrangement of the uncertain numbers. Let us move on to the questions. Question student Excel. How many persons sit between in a row? So see 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and next 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. 20 persons totally. Which among the following statement is true? As many persons between S and Y, between Q and P. Between S and Y there are 3 persons are there. Q and P. So Q and P 2 persons. This one is not correct. W sits extreme ends. So second one is the correct. Extreme right end. Next, more than 4 persons sit between X and Q. So X here, Q here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So only 2 and 3 correct. Question number 24. Which among the following does not belonging into the group? So P and Q, between both 2 persons are there. M and W, there are 2 persons between both. S and Y, so there are 3 persons are there. P and X is also 3 persons between both. Okay, what is the odd one? S and Y. How many persons sit between W and S? So between W and S. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So total 9 persons are there. B is the immediate right of X. Suppose if B is placing here, what is the position of Q with respect to B? So Q here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fifth from right. Next. So we have inequalities. So see the first one, question number 27. Z less than W. So Z here, W here, here we have less than. First one is definitely follows. Q greater than or equal to X. So Q here and X here. So Q less than or equal to, greater than or equal to A, greater than or equal to Z equal to X. Okay. So second one is also follow. Next. Y less than or equal to L. So see Y here and next L here. Okay. So y less than or equal to U and U greater than, here we have greater than. So first one is not correct. Next, L greater than O. So see L here, L less than or equal to K less than U, and next so U I. Okay. So see L to O definitely follows. Second one is follows. Next, question number 29. See Z less than or equal to V. Z less than or equal to X. Starting from X, X to V. So first one is follows. K greater than or equal to C. K here and see here, so here we have opposite symbol, so second one is does not follow. 29, only one is correct. Next, J greater than R, so J here and next R here, so we don't have, here we have opposite signs are there. First one is not correct. Next, so see conclusion 2, G less than or equal to G, so G here and D here, here also both opposite signs are there, so instead of G we can write J here. Why? Because J equal to G. Instead of D we can write R here. Okay, suppose if conclusion 1 and conclusion 2 observe, both are complementary pairs, option 3, either 1 or 2. Next, last one, so T greater than or equal to M, so T greater than or equal to D and D equal to greater than or equal to H, and next M ekkada undi ikkada unnadu, so here we have opposite signs is there. First one is not correct. So F less than or equal to B, so see F here, F equal to H and next H to D, so here opposite sign is there, so second one is also not follow. Option 4 is the answer. Next, question number 32, how many pairs of letters are there in the word preaching? Each of which has many letters between, as they have English alphabetical series. So preaching, so we have to check each and everything. So see the first one, starting from P Q R S T U V W, R S T U V W, E F G H, so E and H, it is the one pair. H and I, so E and I, so E F G H I, and also H and I, so total 3 is coming. And next from backward చూడండి ఒకసారి, సో బ్యాక్వర్డ్ చెక్ చేస్తే GHI, సో నెక్స్ట్ HI, JKL, so JKM, NOPQRS, IJKLM, HIJKLM, CDE, so CD and E, so C and E, ABCD, so only 5, so we are getting 5. Next, 33 to 34, so here we have data sufficiency, so ఒకసారి ఆప్షన్స్ అబ్జర్వ్ చేయండి. ఓన్లీ డేటా స్టేట్మెంట్ 1 alone sufficient to the answer question. Next, option 2, both 1 and 2 together necessary answer the question. Next, the data either 1 or 2. Next, option 4, both 1 and 2 are not together, not sufficient. Option 5, so only 2, statement 2 is follow. Okay, these are the options we have. See the first one, question number 33, 6 persons have different heights, who among the following the third tallest? We need to calculate third tallest one, so observe carefully. So total 6 persons are there. See the first one, first statement చూడండి ఒకసారి, S is taller than at least 2 persons, T is taller than M, so T is taller than M, and next who is taller than S. Okay, suppose it is the minimum and it is the maximum అనుకోండి. So S is taller than at least 2 persons, suppose if S is there, so M and T is placing here. At least 1 person is taller than T, so at least 1 person is taller than T, so this one is the follow. So from this who is the third tallest, so obviously M is the third tallest. From statement 1 we are getting answer, so from statement 1 we are getting answer. Next, coming to the statement 2 చూడండి ఒకసారి, as many persons are taller than T, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 and shorter than Q. N is not as much taller than Q, it means N is shorter than Q. P is taller than T, so P is the taller than T, but we don't have any clues to fix these 3 persons, kabatti only statement 1 is alone answer to the question, sufficient to the answer the question. Next, 34, see 34, in a certain code language, beautiful soul important is coded as FL, SU and PM. Then what is the code for beautiful? We need to find a beautiful code. So see, beautiful soul message is coded as FL, SU and KT. So see, beautiful soul and beautiful soul, FL, SU. Okay, so here beautiful or soul, these two are coded as FL and or SU. Next, and soul important piece is coded as SU, PM and J. So here soul is repeating and that is SU. So what is the code for soul? That is SU. If soul code is SU, then what about beauty code? That is FL. From 1 we are getting answer. Statement 1 నుండి మనకు ఎగ్జాక్ట్ ఆన్సర్ వస్తుంది. కమింగ్ టు ద సెకండ్ వన్ చూడండి ఒకసారి, బ్యూటిఫుల్ ఏరియా, దట్ ఈస్ FLAR. సో in certain code language, beautiful soul important is coded as this one. Here only beautiful word is coded like FL and AR. So FL and FL. What is the code for beautiful? That is FL. Alone 2. So second statement kuda we are getting answer. Kabatti either 1 or 2 is the answer. Option 3. Next, in the given number, so 7 8 5 6 3 4 9 2 5 8. First half of the numbers are arranged ascending order. So see 2 4 6 8 10. So it means first to 5. So first to 5 are arranged ascending order and second half are arranged descending order. So see ascending order in the sense, so 3 5 6 7 8. Coming to this one, descending order 9 8 5 4 2. Then what is the sum of the digits which are third from left hand? That is 6 and next fifth from right hand, so that is 9. So 9 plus 6, that is 15. Next, 36 to 40, here we have one more puzzle is there. 6 persons work in army designations: brigadier, colonel, lieutenant colonel, major, captain and lieutenant. The designations are given in descending order such that brigadier is the senior most designation and lieutenant is the junior most designation. Starting from brigadier and next colonel and next lieutenant and next major. So it is lieutenant colonel and major, captain and lieutenant. So total 6 persons are there, 6 designation and each of them posted in different cities: Jaipur, Kanpur, Agra, Surat, Dehradun and Indore. Okay, so these 6 persons are there. It is the person and it is posted place. It is the second possibility. See the first one. A is designated as 3 persons senior to the one who posted in Surat. The one who is posted Jaipur immediately junior to the one who posted Surat. Okay, suppose Surat is placing here 1 2 3. Here A is designated and coming to this one, if Surat is placing, A is designated here and the one who posted Jaipur immediately junior to the Surat, here Jaipur. 2 possibilities. More than 2 persons designated between the one who posted Jaipur and D. So Jaipur here 1 2 and next 3. Okay, so here D is placing. Coming to the Jaipur 1 2. So here only 2 persons are there. Suppose if D is placing, only 2 persons are placing kabatti, so this possibility not required, not correct. This one is not correct. Only one possibility we left. Next, F is designated as a senior to the one who posted in Indore. Okay, so F is here and here Indore is placing. E is designated senior to C and 2 designations junior to one who posted in Kanpur. A is not posted in Kanpur. Okay, suppose if Kanpur is there, E is designated senior to C and 2 designations junior to one who posted Kanpur. So E is placing here. If E is placing here, C is junior to E. B is designated as junior to the one who posted in Dehradun. So here B is placing, and at least one person designated as senior of the one who posted in Dehradun. Okay, only two places we left here, Dehradun, and remaining payless, that is Agra, is placing here. Let us move on to the questions. Question number 36. How many persons are designated junior to the one who posted in Dehradun? 1, 2, 3, 4 persons are there. Which among the following statement is true? C is not designated as the junior most person. Okay, so actually C is the junior most person, and the one who posted in Agra is junior to A. Not correct. More than 3 persons designated between D and C. Between D and C there are 3 persons are there. Who among the following works as captain? So captain, that is E. If all the persons are designated as per alphabetical order from brigadier to lieutenant, who among the following person is posted in Surat? So starting from economy, that is A nundi. Okay, starting from A. So A, next to B, C, D, E, and finally F. So which person is posted in Surat? That is E. Question number 40. Which among the following does not belonging into the group? So D and A, there is no person. F and B, between both there is no person. E and C, no person between both. B and E, no person, and D and B. So there are 2 persons are there. So okay, it is the complete solutions of the paper.